Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I got you. Can
Hello?
you hear me? Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So now I am able to hear you. So
Awesome. Great.
thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I appreciate your time. So yeah, I'll kind of just tell you what I'm looking for.
Mm-hmm.
I have a client or this immediate project. So I have a client. We have some ads running on Google Ads, but we want to make sure the conversion tracking isn't set up properly, and so we want the conversion tracking, making sure that the our Google Tags Manager is set up properly. The conversions are probably we're looking for just like regular e-commerce, so like add to cart, purchases,
Begin
anything on
checkout.
that end. We have it connected to a Wix site, so it seems like on the Wix side, the tag manager is connected, but if we need to update that based on what you see, that's totally fine. And same with the conversions, tracking through through Google. Um, the ads manager or anything, I can do that, but that's kind of what we're needing done on the most immediate. Also, I'm not sure if you do this or if you work in with like Google Merchant accounts to make sure that our product catalog is showing on the shopping results for most of the products and making sure obviously the UTMs are accurate and you know the merchant product feed is showing from the site.
Yeah, so that means you have to make sure for your all the client website that have set up the e-commerce tracking, like full e-commerce journey, like VY add to cart, begin checkout, add payment info, add shipping info, and purchase with dynamic purchase value. So you can measure your Google ad campaign, like you can see what's the visitor activity, how they're doing after visiting the website. And beside that, you have to also make sure the Google Merchant Center feed is set up properly. So, you're getting the best result by the shopping campaign or performance max campaign. Is that correct?
Yeah, so it was active. I don't know, there was an error that popped up, so we might have to refresh the feed for Google Merchant, but there is a
Mm-hmm.
direct integration with Wix and Google Merchant, so I can always provide you the URL to then make sure that the feed is, live and accurate in the Google Merchant account.
Okay, I see. No problem. That also possible. As you can see on Fiverr, I am like certified Google Ad, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, and Merchant Expert. So I know this kind of stuff very well. As well as if you see my profile, I completed more than 2,100 job. Okay, so I
Yeah.
know this kind of stuff very well. So it's not should be any problem. And beside that, in Bangladesh, I am from Bangladesh, as you know. So in
Hmm.
Bangladesh, I am the trainer. Okay. I train people to learn this kind of stuff. Okay.
Hmm.
So it would be a good journey with you to fix all the tracking stuff as well as the merchant for your client website. Okay. That's not a problem for me.
Yeah, no, that's great. That sounds great. And yeah, normally I run a marketing agency, so this is just for one client. So we'll probably have, I need these services and help with Google Ads, Google Tag Managers, all that stuff for with multiple clients. So once we kind of get this one resolved, I'm sure we'll be kind of using and I'm familiar somewhat with how to set this up. I'm no expert, but I need, just I don't have the time to kind of handle all that, so that's why I would, hire you to do that.
Yeah, I think you are busy with other work that you are doing and you are the expert your area. But for me, I am expert this area, so I know
Yeah,
how it's need to be done. So it's better you can do your job and I will do my expertise area, okay? So I
yeah,
think
no,
it
that
will
sounds
be
great.
good business with you, okay? No
Yeah,
problem.
100%.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, great. So yeah, so that's kind of what I'm looking for Asher House, that one. So what would you need from me? Do you need admin access? Should I add you as a user to the Google Ads account, the merchant account, and the tag manager?
Yeah, as you mentioned, it's your client website. So for the white level, I am working other several agencies as well. So as a tracking expert for their all the tracking I'm doing, and I handle all of those. So they just created a company domain by using, Google Workshop. So and they give me an email like tracking@yourdomain.com, and they assign all kind of access with that domain. So client don't think you hired someone to do the client job. Okay, so if you have the Google Suite or Google Workspace, you can create an email for me with your company domain, and you can give me the email access, and by that email you can send all the account access to me, and I will do the work. Okay, so
Okay, so we'll
it's
set
work.
up an email through our Google Suite, and
Mhm.
then you'll essentially we'll give you you can set that up, and then we'll give access to that email. Is that what you would prefer?
Yeah, so it's like the white level work,
Yeah.
but sometimes client is thinking suspicious. Like if I add my personal email like ppsivapi@gmail.com, so if client saw on their account someone else working on that account, so that's may suspicious, something like that, they think. But once you use your company domain, especially like tracking@yourwebsite.com, so that's a white label work. That's why I prefer if you have Google Suite, then you can create an email, especially for me, and you can give all the access to that email, and I will handle all the account by there. Okay.
Okay. No, that sounds fine. Okay. Um, yeah, so we'll do that. Okay, and then what are we looking at for cost? I saw a few of your packages, but what are we looking at to kind of for just this client?
Yeah, for the first website, we have to fix like Google Analytics for e-commerce tracking as well as Google Ad conversion tracking. Also, you mentioned you will need like the Merchant Center help. So it's like a custom offer. But in my profile, if you go there, so there have like several packages for Google Ad, Google Analytics, and Google Ad conversion tracking. So for this kind of work, it will be a custom offer. Maybe for the first client for the first client, we will need Google Analytics for Google Ad conversion tracking and Merchant Center feed fixing. Is that correct?
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, so I think first, the cost not will be higher, maybe 160 to 200 within for three of them. Then, I have to see the situation, what is done already on the back end. So then I can tell you exact cost for this first client, but it not should be more than 200, okay?
Okay. Yeah, I'm looking to stay more within like 120 to 150 max on budget. So,
Mm-hmm.
and I get kind of the first project. Most of it is set up in the back end, so it shouldn't be too hard to kind of um, make sure that that's set up. But obviously, like I said, I want to have a long-term, project relationship with you. So, but that's really where my budget's at for this client.
Yeah, so then you are the agency's owner, so I think 150 for the first is good. Then we will continue. You can see the like what I am doing. Then you can decide you will increase the budget or not. I am always better like the quality work. So with long-term relation, so that's fine if you like do the first one 150. That's fine, no problem.
Okay, so let's plan on that. And then do you have WhatsApp or anything?
I do that. I do have, but we are working on the fiber, right? So once we have ongoing project, that time for the emergency, we may able to use the WhatsApp, but without any order, it's violation of the fiber terms and condition. If we chat, the other side on fiber.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's just better communication, but that's fine to do this. So yeah, I just don't always get notifications through Fiverr. So if you have a question,
Hmm.
um, I don't always get notifications, and sometimes I forget to check. So,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
just send a couple reminders. I'm not sure. So is it just through inbox through Fiverr that you we would be communicating?
Yeah, yeah. On the Fiverr, I am fine because I'm the full-time freelancer on Fiverr, so I'm always on there. Okay, no problem.
Okay, so I'll just try and remember to check that. If not, just send me a couple messages to remind me if like I didn't respond to one of them. Just because normally I'll get the email notifications, but not the notifications through the Fiverr app. Um,
Mm-hmm.
so if I don't respond within a certain time period, just send me another message.
Yeah, definitely. I will send the follow-up message once we need. So, yeah, so now I think we are able to start the work. Just you need to create an email for me by your Google Suite. Then you can assign all the access to me and also the email invitation by using my personal email. I will accept and I will start the work for the first client. Okay.
Okay, so I'll send instructions once I create the Google Suite email, and
Mm-hmm.
then yeah, and then I'll you can kind of get started. How long would this take? I mean, we're kind of in I want to be able to start some new campaigns like, start of this coming week, but how long, once you're in there, obviously you'll be able to see, but how long do you think this will take?
Yeah, for the tracking thing, I usually take 1 to 3 days, but for the agency work, you will run the campaign. So I will take only 1 to 2 days to complete all of those. Okay, no problem.
Okay, sounds good. All right, well
Hmm.
then yeah, send me the offer, custom offer, and then I'll get that submitted and then I'll create your user profile in my Google Workspace and then you can kind of
Hmm.
get started on that.
Yeah, definitely, no problem. So you gonna do it right now, or it will take some time?
Yeah, yeah, I'll do it tonight. So I have a couple other things and then I'll send that over here within the next hour and then let me know that when once you receive that. So
Hmm.
what email would I send like to the instructions to? So I'm
Yeah.
going to create a track at
Hmm.
generationalmarketer.com. So essentially that will be the email. Um,
Hmm.
who do I send the instructions to?
Yeah, I am sending right away to you. Just a
Okay.
second. Gmail.com, ppcbappy@gmail.com. Okay, so I just sent to you my email. You can use. Also, I will send you a Google Doc file there, all the necessary thing that I need to start this work. Also, I gonna send you the offer, like the custom offer on Fiverr. You will see within few minutes. Just a second.
Okay.
I have to go to the Fiverr. There you go. Create offer. So let's create this. Here is the offer to check and fix here Google Ad and GMC collect conversion at GMC account checks in as per discussion on the Zoom chat. Schedule place this offer so that start the work. Thank you. Happy. Okay, so three, three readers, analytics, drag, e-commerce. Yeah, I just sent the offer on Fiverr. You can check that.
Okay.
Okay, I received that. Just I'm sending the doc file with all the details that I need.
Okay.
1 second. Yeah, I sent the doc file on the Zoom as well as the Fiverr.
Okay, sounds good.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, all that makes sense. Okay, so I will start setting that up for you and
Mm-hmm.
then create your email account.
Yeah, please. So just do it. Maybe I will get that within 2 hours or something. Also, it's maybe late your country right now, correct? Maybe nighttime over there.
Yeah, but it's only like 10 o'clock, so I'll be up for another few hours. So yeah, I work I work all times.
Okay. Yeah, same to you. I am doing in Bangladesh. So because my most of the client from US, so that's why I have to work like your daytime, okay? Like your business
Yeah,
hour. Okay.
yeah.
But no
Two of
problem.
my
We will do.
programmers are from Bangladesh as well, so I have yeah, so that and then I have different employees that are also so yeah, normally I'm working till like 2 in the morning over here.
Oh, I see. So that means you have the others guy, they are from Bangladesh as well.
Yeah, so I have two programmers, Wix programmers that are from Bangladesh.
Oh, I see. Hopefully I will meet with them so
Yeah.
soon. We will collaborating something. So let's
Yeah.
see.
All right. Well, thanks so much for your time. I appreciate it. Yeah, if you can get this done, I'll send that over here quickly, and then yeah, get started as soon as you're ready, and then let me know if you need anything else from me. And
Mhm.
yeah, appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay, so I think that's it for now. Once you send everything, just update me on Fiverr. I will check and start the work immediately. Okay, no problem.
Sounds good. All right. Thank you.
Okay, bye today. Have
Okay.
a good one.
See ya. You too.
Bye.